representing Illinois injury victims for over 40 years, Jay Jansen. One name says it all.
My aunt died in the hospital a while back, and we never received a full explanation about what happened. And I was just wondering if I could get an attorney to help me with this situation.
All right. This is the type of inquiry that the Jansen Law Center receives on a daily basis, where a very serious condition may be undetected at a hospital or with a doctor. Many times it doesn't really involve medical malpractice, but it could. We instruct those people to gather the medical records from the hospital, from the doctor's office, and the Jansen Law Center will evaluate the claim and determine whether or not there may be a medical malpractice claim. Because many times the family is really not informed by the doctor or the hospital as to the nature, extent, and cause of the death. One of the important things with a death claim, obviously, is an autopsy. And many times by the time we're consulted, it's really almost too late. But if there's an unknown cause of death and it's not a lingering illness, an autopsy should be performed to really determine the real cause of death, not just a guess. Thank you, sir. You can always submit those medical records to the Jansen Law Center. We'll look them over for free. Have our doctors on staff check those over to determine whether there's an issue of medical malpractice. This is done by the Jansen Law Center as a service. There's never a charge to examine the case to determine whether or not a case actually exists.
The Jansen Law Center, representing Illinois injury victims for over 40 years.
It is my job to ensure that my clients obtain the largest amount of money allowable by law. The insurance companies attempt to settle the claim for the least amount of money. Contact the Jansen Law Center for a free office consultation.
Jay Jansen. One name says it all.